the Yard, Emporio Ivankov, Judgment of Hell. Might be two, haven't seen that before. Ulti, Vinsmoke Yonji with the Straw Hat Foil, and Dellinger with the Straw Hat Foil. And, ooh, we got the Foil Don. We got two Foil Dons out of this box. We got the Rosinante Foil, nice.